Now let us discuss about data conversion. Now let us say what do you mean by data conversion. So data conversion is nothing but converting data from one form to another form. So let us say what is the necessity of data conversion in sensors and in the study of sensors and transducers. So we know that majority of sensors, they give the output in the form of analog. Now in the measurement system, suppose if we use microprocessor, and we know that microprocessor uses the digital input, so therefore the analog output of a sensor needs to be converted into digital form before it can be used as an input to the microprocessor. And similarly, most of the actuators operate on analog inputs, so therefore the digital output from a microprocessor has to be converted into analog form before it can be used as an input by the actuator. So that is why the data conversion is necessity. So therefore the analog data is required to be converted into digital form, and digital data is required to be converted into analog form. So now let us see the types of data conversion. So as per the requirement, there are two types of data conversion. Suppose if the data is present in the analog form and if it is required to be converted into digital form, so there is analog to digital conversion, that is A to D conversion. And suppose if the data is in digital form and if it is required to be converted into analog form, so it is called as digital to analog conversion, that is D to A conversion. So now let us discuss about these two types of data conversion. So let us first discuss analog to digital conversion. So let us see what is this ADC process. What is this analog to digital conversion process? The analog to digital conversion process changes a sampled analog signal into a digital form. This process involves two types of steps, that is quantizing and coding. Quantizing is nothing but the transformation of a continuous analog input into a set of discrete output states, and coding is nothing but an assignment of digital code or number to each output state. Now let us see procedure of analog to digital conversion. So analog to digital conversion involves converting analog signals into binary words. So this figure shows the basic components of analog to digital conversion, which has analog input signal, then sample and hold circuit, and analog to digital converter, which gives the digital signal. The procedure of analog to digital conversion is that a clock supplies regular time signal pulses to analog to digital converter, and every time it receives a pulse, it samples the analog signal. The types of signals involved at various stages of analog to digital conversion are shown in this figure. So here you can see the first waveform, it shows the input analog signal, and the second one is the clock signal, which supply the time signals at which the sampling occurs. And the third one shows a series of various pulses, which is the result of sampling. Then the fourth one is the sampled and held signal, which is obtained by using sample and hold circuit. So this sample and hold circuit is necessary because analog to digital converter requires a finite amount of time, which is called conversion time, to convert analog signal into digital form. So this holds each sampled value until the next pulse occurs. Now let us say components used in analog to digital conversion. So these are the components which are used in analog to digital conversion, that is sensor, buffer amplifier, low pass filter, sample and hold circuit, analog to digital converter, and a computer or a memory system. So this buffer amplifier it amplifies the analog signal received from sensor, and then the amplified signals are given to low pass filter. This low pass filter is necessary to remove any undesirable high frequency components in the signal. Then the filtered analog signal is given to sample and hold circuit. So it maintains a fixed input value during the short conversion time of analog to digital converter. Then the sampled discrete analog signals are given to analog to digital converter, which converts the analog signal into digital form, and that can be fetched by this computer.